guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my passion twist. Okay, so one was coming loose, so I was like, why not film? This is like the best time to show you guys. It's 3 different ways you can do this style. How many? Okay, I'm good. It's 3 ways you can do this style. You can do the rubber band method, you can do the twist method, or you could do the crochet method, which is the method that I did. So without further ado, let's get into the video. This is how mine came out. Warning, this is not one of the protective styles that you can keep in for a very long time. This style is only gonna last you for, like, me personally, maybe a month. Hopefully it stretched to that, you know, for that long. But they're twists, and with the type of hair that this is, it's just, I don't see myself wearing this for like as long as I wear box braids. So if you planning on going somewhere and wanting to have a style for a longer period, baby girl, this is not for you. But if you only, you know, wear your protective styles for maybe like even just, well, I was gonna say 3 weeks, but 3 weeks is like a month. 3-4 weeks, yeah, this is good for you. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so the type of hair that I used was the, I don't know, what is Caribbean bun. It's, I don't know, it looks like this, y'all. You can use any type of water wave hair. This is the kind that I got, that I use. But instead, I just wanted to show you guys. I think I had got like 8 packs, and I only used 6. So it all depends on how big, how small you want them. But I'm not gonna open this and use this. I'm actually gonna use the one that I use, because the good thing about this style, with the technique that I used, when this twist did unravel, it didn't unravel and fall out. Like, it's not gonna go anywhere, it just unraveled. And as you can see, when I took it out, like, my hair is like, it's not knotted, it's not any of that. And I made sure that my hair was very, very moisturized when I did it. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the point of why we clicked on this video. So what I did was, I just got some edge control. Let me turn this way. And what you're gonna do is braid. It doesn't have to be tight. It doesn't have to be, I mean, you don't want it super loose, but you don't want it to be super tight either. So you're just gonna braid it a little bit. And you want your braid to be kind of like that. And then the crochet comes on a hook. It's like, I never used this thing. This thing is so old, but like, look, just listen, okay? So when you get it, it's gonna be closed like this. See, it's closed. So while it's closed, you're gonna go through your hair like this. You're just gonna put it, and you see how it opened when I went through. Now you're gonna take that part. Whoa. You're gonna take the hair, you're gonna separate the hair. The hair already kind of comes like loose or whatever like this, but this is the same one that I took out because it was coming loose. So you're gonna take your hair, make sure that it's kind of uneven. You don't want to do it at an even state. You want it to be uneven for the length. So make sure it's uneven. Then you're gonna take a little loop like this. Then you're gonna grab that part with the hook, and then you're gonna, normally when it hooks on, it automatically pulls it, but if not, you want to close the latch. Then you're going to pull that part through your hair. Once you pull that through your hair, you're done with this. So then now you have a little hold like this. So you're going to see how this part is through your hair. So now you're going to take all the hair. You see how your hair is hanging. You're going to take your hair along with this. And then like, kind of like you tying your shoe a little bit. Then you're going to put this inside the hole. And grab the hair. See how all that goes through there? Then you're going to pull slowly to kind of create, I would say, like a little knot. You don't want to make the knot too tight, but you want to make it tight enough to where it'll be like decent like that. Then what I like to do is kind of unbraid this part a little bit. And then after that's separated, you're going to get some of your real hair and put along with that. And then you're going to, darn it. See, this is nappy. So this is like kind of tangled a little bit already. But it should like glide through. So I got like a piece of hair. There we go. Separate that like that. So we're going to go and then you're just going to twist away. Twist, twist, twist. Twist, 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 twist. Whoa. And you want to make sure you're twisting it tight. So it's going to be twisted really tight. Like this. And then as you do that, you can get like some gel or something to be rubbing on your hands. I'm not really doing that right now at this moment because mine are like, they're not old. They're like a week old, almost a week old. And this one is in the back, so I'm like, I don't really care right now. But you just, your twist is going to be like a whole lot neater and fresher looking because you're going to use brand new hair. Like I said, this is just the same one that I just unraveled, so I don't care about it being like super, super neat. So we just, but you, with these, unfortunately, unlike box braids, with box braids, you can get to the end and just like be like, okay, I'm done. Not with these passion twists. You literally have to twist this thing all the way to the end, sis. Like, all the way to the end. So I am getting rid of some of the little nappy pieces. Because, I mean, it's going to look ratchet, but I don't want it to look too ratchet. And this is 18 inches. So once I twist that, I'm going to cut this little piece. So once you twist it all the way down, it's going to automatically like twist up like that. And that's pretty much it. You don't have to do anything else to it. It's like this. You can make it as tight or as loose as you want. But this is how it pretty much came out. And then once I take it down, you can see. I made like, if you don't want to spend like $200, $300 on your passion twist for somebody to do this, I would highly recommend you learn how to do it yourself. And if you have the patience, just, you know, do your own hair, because this is definitely not a style that will last for a very long time. So your $100 is gonna be going down, not going down the drain, because it's like it's a cute style, but it's not worth it to get it done. Pay someone else to do it, and you're only gonna have it in for literally like 3 weeks. That's like, really, sis? So yeah, but this is how they came out. Some people, this is a strand that needs to be cut, but I noticed on girls, like the twists, I did mine kind of different because like some of them are like loose like this, and then some of them are tight. I wanted a mixture of different ones because I wanted it to look a little messy. I didn't want it to be so neat. So yeah, so without this video being any longer than what it already is, I'm gonna end it right here. I just wanted to share and show you guys how I did my passion twist and how I thought it was like super fun and easy once I got the hang of it. I'm gonna just tell you now, that crochet hook, girl, keep playing with it, but you gonna get it. It's not gonna happen on the first try. I think one of my jewelry pieces, there we go, just keep playing with it. And once you put, like, I'm gonna buy some more hair accessories. I didn't get enough, but I like my hair to be bedazzled out. But once you add like your jewelry pieces or whatever, it's like, it's really cute. It's like, it's a really cute, it's different. It's like, it's, to me, it's really cute and different. It's something like, it's not a everyday, it's not like box braids. Like, box braids are awesome, but if you kind of like getting tired of just doing the regular dangler box braids, don't get me wrong, because right after I do this, baby girl, I will have my box braids. But yeah, this is like super cute, super different, and I haven't put mine up quite yet because I said I'm gonna wait till it get a little more raggedy and then I'm gonna throw it up in a bun or whatnot. But I hope this video was very helpful. I hope you guys like how my hair came out, and if you want to see some more hair videos, just comment below, thumbs up this video and let me know. And go ahead and thumbs up this video, hit the subscribe button, and join the fam. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Peace.